We've seen a significant surge in the price of data from this very level at this very price of 0.031 up to this very price level of 0.099. This is a very significant move to the upside. In today's video, I'll be talking about this. Is the market still going to move upward, or we should expect a retracement or a complete downturn in the market, and also on Bitcoin? All of this and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos. On the data chart, if you look at this very price action, you see market has been moving significantly for about a day plus now, and what I am expecting is for the market to continue this movement upward. But nevertheless, I am expecting a little retracement, very little retracement within this very area of 0.070 at this very point, and this very price level of 0.080. So this is where I am expecting retracement to get into before continuation in the market. So expect the market to just move a little bit into this area and then continuation to the upside. And the target you should be paying attention to is this very price level of 0.13, this very area right here, $0.13 at this very point, and this very area of $0.15. So between $0.15 at this very point and $0.13 at this very area, this is where I am expecting this market to move into. Because right now, if you look at this very chart, discover that the market still have a lot more momentum to move to the upside, and because of this significant momentum that is still in this very price action right now, market is going to move upward. So let's say, for example, you don't want to place a stop loss on this very trade. Let's say you just want to take the position, and that means you can take the position where the market is right now. But if you want to place a stop loss, wait for the market to retrace a little bit, and then this very zone will be a good place to buy. Why? Because that is where we see rejection from. So this rejection, as market come back down, will serve as a support for the market to begin to move to the upside again for the next impulsive move. So what you need to do right now is, if you want to just hold this market for the next 2-3 days, it will be a nice time to buy now without placing a stop loss for market to move upward. Because if peradventure the market move down against you, you're not going to sell anyway. You're going to still leave the market to move upward, because the market is still going to continue upward for sure. So what I am expecting right now, according to this prediction in this technical analysis, is that the market move to the upside. This market should move into this very zone of $0.15 and this very area of $0.13. This way I am expecting the market to move into. So this is a target for this very market on data. And like I said earlier, if you look at the 1-day chart, the market is still going to move upward even far beyond this very area of $0.13 at this very area and $0.15. This is what you should expect right now on data. This technical analysis is very important, so pay attention to it. And on BTC4 chart, very important. I told you in my last video that the market is going to move upward, and that is the exact same thing we see right here, because this very point of support, market move upward, then correction. If you look at the way market corrects, it was correcting gradually while markets move significantly in a short while from here up to this very point, and the market begin to move down. If you consider the number of time that the market moved from here to this point is very short compared to the number of times the market moved from here to the same point. This is an indication that the bulls are very much in the market, and they are willing to move the market to the upside, and that is why we see this market move upward to the same high level. So what I am expecting right now is for the market to come back down. Okay, so market should come back down into this same level of support. So this market should move downward into this area before continuation upward again. This is what I am expecting right now. Remember, I told you to pay attention to this very level of support right here. That means if we see a breakout on this support level, then that means market is going to go back to the downside. But that breakout is not forthcoming yet, and this is very important. So if market come back down from this very area where the market is right now of resistance, market is going to come into this very zone. I am expecting a bounce up from this very zone. And another important thing you need to watch as well on the chart is this level of resistance. So we have two very important points, this level of support and this level of resistance. So this market have capacity of breaking this level. That means if you see a breakout on this very level of resistance, then that means market is going to move to the upside. So a breakout here is possible. So there is a possibility that the market can break out, and if we see that breakout, market is going to move parabolically and go above this very level of resistance right here. This is what I am expecting right now on the chart. On the immediate short time, expect the market to move down into this very zone. But if you see a breakout here, change your perspective, change your directional bias to the upside, because market is going to move upward. If you look at it for the past weeks, market has been within this very zone of support right here and resistance, which is very, very significant to us as traders. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. The most important thing in today's analysis is the fact that this data chart is going to move upward. So for data USDT, expect the market to move upward from where it is right now into this area for the 4-hour chart. And if you want to place a stop loss, wait for the market to retrace a little bit into this zone and then place it through within the zone, and your stop loss should be below this very point of support, that is this very bearish candle where the market moved from in the past. So this is what I am expecting right now on this data chart. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.